The fast track to Bitcoin cash flow, how to earn over 1.82 Bitcoin following this 8-stage system. Disclaimer: the following presentation shows an example to point out the power of the fast track system, while the price for our traffic package option 1 is 0.0005 Bitcoin. Also, this example assumes that you and everybody in your downline will follow the exact same procedure as outlined in the following presentation, and that all purchases are made with either Bitcoin, altcoin or earnings, as pay year does delay the availability of earnings by 28 days. If the average person takes longer to refer 4 new members, the process will slow down. If they are faster, the process will speed up. Any values mentioned are based on the outline in this example presentation. Hi, my name is Frank Bauer, co-founder of InfinityTrafficBoost, and I want to help you build up your Bitcoin cash flow starting right now. We have created an easy-to-follow system to help you get rolling to build your Bitcoin portfolio with only 0.0005 out of pocket and just 3 minutes of your time each day. And if you prefer a slower, nothing out of pocket system, I recommend to check out our freeway video. Let me ask you a question. If I could show you a way to spend 3 minutes a day online following a few simple instructions, and within only 8 stages you would earn 1.82 Bitcoin, would you be interested in learning more? When you see the math and the logic of 3 minutes a day and the logical game plan, do you know 4 or more people who would first begin with a purchase of 0.0005 and 3 minutes a day, second follow instructions, and third duplicate? If your answers are yes, then wow, we can help you. Here's all you have to do. First, serve 10 pages a day here at InfinityTrafficBoost. Second, refer 4 more friends to do the same. The faster you get your friends surfing and earning, the faster you'll be able to advance and earn over 1.82 Bitcoin. We recommend to refer 4 members in 8 days. Stop! Don't panic. Yes, we're talking about making a few referrals, but wow, we're talking about only 0.0005 Bitcoin to get started. You can change your life with this very small purchase, and you can help others do the same. You aren't selling, you're helping. Let's make it happen together. Third, once you finish referring 4, encourage those 4 you referred the next 8 days to refer their 4. 4. Once those 4 you referred finish referring their 4, encourage them to teach their 4 how to refer 4. Hint: to make it easy for yourself, we recommend to select the Getting Paid option. Use earnings to purchase TPOs your way up in the affiliates earnings section. Think about it. Spend 3 minutes a day surfing, and with duplication as mentioned before, you can earn over 1.82 Bitcoin following this 8-stage system. Wow! Here's how it can work for you if you simply A. Purchase a TPO1 advertising package, B. Serve 10 pages a day, and C. Refer 4 new members that follow the same system within 8 days. Your referrals must refer 4 people who can follow instructions like you, and they will do the same. It's simple and anyone can do it, and that means that the entire world is your audience. Please keep in mind that when our Bitcoin pricing changes, the Bitcoin values and times mentioned in this video will change, but the system will remain the same. Assuming that you will refer your 4 within 8 days, and your 4 referred their 4 within 8 days, and so on, here's how it will progress on the 8 stages of the fast track system. Fast track stage 1. You start as a tier 1 advertiser. The 4 members you referred in step 2 should be able to purchase their TPO1 in the next 8 days. You earn a total of 120,000 Satoshi in commissions. Your second TPO1 sale will be passed up, leaving you 3 direct referrals. You will also earn funds from your surfing activity, but for simplicity's sake we will ignore those earnings for now. At the end of stage 1 you can purchase TPO2 from your ITB wallet funds. Fast track stage 2. You start as a tier 2 advertiser. The 3 remaining members that you referred should be able to purchase their TPO2 in the next 8 days. You earn a total of 120,000 Satoshi in commissions from 3 TPO1 sales passed up to you. You earn a total of 160,000 Satoshi in commissions from 2 TPO2 sales. Your second TPO2 sale will be passed up, leaving you 2 direct referrals. At the end of stage 2 you can purchase TPO3 from your wallet funds. Note, each of the assumptions above are based upon duplication, each of your referrals and their referrals following this 8-stage system. Fast track stage 3. You start as a tier 3 advertiser. With every stage you will receive more pass-ups and pass up your second TPO sale on that tier. All in all, you'll earn a total of 680,000 Satoshi in commissions during stage 3. At the end of stage 3 you will purchase TPO4 from your wallet funds. Note again, each of the assumptions above are based upon duplication, each of your referrals and their referrals following this 8-stage system. Fast track stage 4. You start as a tier 4 advertiser. All in all, you earn a total of 2,040,000 Satoshi in commissions during stage 4. At the end of stage 4, you can purchase TPO 6 from your wallet funds. Yes, you can skip TPO 5. Note, each of the assumptions above are based upon duplication, each of your referrals and their referrals following this 8-stage system. Fast track stage 5. You start as a tier 6 advertiser. All in all, you earn a total of 6.6 million Satoshi in commissions during stage 5. At the end of stage 5, you can skip TPO 7 and purchase TPO 8 from your wallet funds. Note, each of the assumptions above are based upon duplication, each of your referrals and their referrals following this 8-stage system. Fast track stage 6. You start as a tier 8 advertiser. All in all, you earn a total of 18.68 million Satoshi in commissions during stage 6. At the end of stage 6, you can purchase TPO 9 from your wallet funds. Note again, each of the assumptions above are based upon duplication, each of your referrals and their referrals following this 8-stage system. Fast track stage 7. You start as a tier 9 advertiser. All in all, you earn a total of 67,480,000 Satoshi in commissions during stage 7. At the end of stage 7, you can skip TPO 10 and purchase TPO 11 from your wallet funds. Note, each of the assumptions above are based upon duplication, each of your referrals and their referrals following this 8-stage system. Fast track stage 8. You start as a top tier advertiser. All in all, you earn a total of 157,880,000 Satoshi in commissions during stage 8. Congratulations! At the end of stage 8, you have over 182,560,000 Satoshi in your wallet. That's 1.8256 Bitcoin. Final note, each of the assumptions above are based upon duplication, each of your referrals and their referrals following this 8-stage system. Remember, you only need to make 4 referrals of people who will follow the duplication process, who want to change their lives and invest 0.0005 Bitcoin in their future. But you can progress faster by referring more than 4 to earn faster and make up for those who do not duplicate. Our system has the potential to create generational wealth. Isn't that worth your time? Generational wealth is wealth so substantial that it can be passed down from generation to generation, impacting your family and society for dozens or hundreds of years. The earnings will not even stop to increase after you finish stage 8 on the fast track system. But of course, you can always refer more people to increase your earnings and the traffic you receive even more. What if you refer 8 instead of 4? Or 12? Or 16? You can stop referring more members when you believe it's enough, or you stop after 4 that follow the same system as shown in this example. And you refer them at your own speed. 4 members within 8 days is simply the speed we recommend. Wow, we know this is a lot of information. Our kids would call this overshare, but we want you to know that the math is solid, and if you do the work, serve and refer 4 or more friends, then this system works. Before we close, here are the questions that some of our members have posted in our friendly Facebook group. The answers to these questions may help you fully understand our system and how you and your team can get started right away. Can I earn 1.82 Bitcoin by only surfing? No, the bulk of the earnings come from commissions on referral sales, as noted in this outline. Do I have to buy anything? Yes, as this outline shows, you need to purchase the Traffic Package Option 1 for 0.0005 Bitcoin. What happens if it takes me longer to refer 4 people that duplicate? Will I still earn 1.82 Bitcoin? As long as your referrals refer 4 who follow the system and those people refer 4 and duplicate and so on, you would remain on track to earn 1.82 Bitcoin, but it may take a while longer. What if I keep referring people and they don't serve or duplicate? An example, they don't refer others. That's okay, we know you are dedicated to success and not everyone else is. Just keep referring and helping until you found 4 that duplicate. I've been surfing every day and have not earned my 1.82 Bitcoin. Why not? Note the above answer. The bulk of the 1.82 Bitcoin comes in form of referral commissions on purchases made by your referrals and your team. This sounds really exciting, but I don't even have 0.0005 Bitcoin to get started with. Is there a way I can get started with no Bitcoin? Yes, check out our freeway system once you're logged into your free account. So here are again your tasks. They're very simple. First, click on the green Buy Advertising Credits button to purchase TPO1 and second, click on the green Surf Pages button on our dashboard and start surfing your 10 pages, and Third, click on Affiliates Referral Tools, then on Email Copy. Select an email ad copy to send to your 10 best friends who would like to earn 1.82 Bitcoin following this 8-stage system, working just 3 minutes a day. 4. Keep surfing daily and keep referring more members until you have 4 or more that follow the simple system. And that's all there is to it. Together we can change the world, help millions of people to earn online while providing an incredible advertising value proposition. Come join us, share our vision and get started today. The math works. Do you?